How to monetize TikTok account. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Select the option Settings and Privacy. Click on the option Account. Here you're gonna find the option of Switch to Business Account. Consider switching to a business account for better monetization features and analytics. A business account offers more features, including access to analytics and monetization tools. Complete the process of switching your account type. Then head back, click on three bars, select the option TikTok Studio. Explore the available analytics and monetization options by tapping View All next to Monetization. Monetization option includes subscriptions, creator rewards program, video gifts, creator marketplace. Tap on individual program to toggle eligibility or enable notification for future eligibility. Certain programs require a minimum follower count, example, 1,000 followers for some features. Enable notification to be alert when you meet eligibility requirements. View your estimated rewards and balance within the TikTok Studio. Earnings can be transferred to a bank account once you meet the withdrawal threshold. Regularly check your eligibility and updates within TikTok Studio. Utilize the analytics tool to optimize content for better engagement and monetization potential. Following these steps, you should be able to monetize TikTok account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.